Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make gradients test in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. I will choose Presentation. So a presentation design page is created. Next, we can use test tool, click it, and then we can add test box. Now we can type, for example, I type test, and then I want to enlarge it. I click and drag the corner and press Alt to enlarge it to make it obvious. Now I want to make it bold. I press Ctrl A and then bold the text. So next we can select the text box and go to text color and open text color panel and then go to bottom. We can find default gradients colors. We can pick one. So we can change the text to gradient color. And then if we want to customize the gradients color, we can find the icon under documents color, but it doesn't update. So we can click to make it update. So we can find the setting, click it. So we can change the style. We can change the color. And we can add one more color or two more color. So this is how we can make gradients test in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.